Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel sfdcpractice.com. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss the difference between fast field update and the action and related records. And we also discuss the use cases for both of the options. So guys, let's understand the use case for both of the options. For example, like if you are going to create a account record, okay, and whenever you create a new account record, so you are checking some condition and based on that condition, you want to update a field for the same record. So in this case, you can use the fast field update, and this fast field update will run before your record has been saved to the database. But for example, if you are going to send an email or you are going to perform an action or you are going to create the child records. So in this case, what you can do, you can use the action and related records option. Okay, so you will get more idea when we create a flow, and I will show you the difference between over there. Okay, so let's say for that one, I just go to the flow, and here I will create a new flow and record trigger flow and create. Okay, so guys, in this example, we will use the account object so that I have selected here account, and this should be run whenever a record is created. Okay, and here for the condition requirement to filter out the records, I will leaving it as none, and this will be run for every records. Okay, and here you will get these two options: fast field updates and action and related records. So fast field update will run before your records save to the database. Okay, and this action and related records will run after your records has been saved to the database. Okay, so here let's see what is the difference between fast field update and the action and related records. So this time I am just going to select this fast field update and click on this done button. And if you click on this plus icon, so you will get some options here like get record, update records, or the update triggered records, or the assignment, or the decision loop collection sort, like this. Okay, and if you select this update record, so you also can see here these three options are disabled. Okay, it means you cannot update the related records, you cannot get the IDs and the fields from the collections. Here you can just use one of the options, that is use the account record that triggered the flow. That's it. Okay, so I'm just canceling it because I'm not going to create that one right now. I just want to show you the difference. So this time, let's say I update this, and this time I will select this action and related record and click on done. So you will get more options here like this send email alert. Suppose you want to send an email whenever a record is created or updated. So you can just send an email alert, and you also can use the actions here and subflows or the assignment decision loops collection. So all these options were available for fast field update as well, but you but this create record and the um, this create record and the delete record was not available for fast field update. Okay, so you can also use the create record and the delete record for action and related records. And suppose I select this update record. So here these three options are also available. So you can select these three options as well. But in fast update field, you cannot select these three options. These three options were disabled for that option. Okay. So guys, let's start this demo with a very simple example. So guys, in this example, what I will do whenever we create a account record, so I just want to create the child contact as well at the same time. Okay. So guys, for that one, what I need to do as I need to create the child record. So I have to select this action and related records. After that, I only can create the child records. So I already have selected it. And here what I will do, I will select create record. So I will go to the create record, and for example, like if I give the name as contact record. Okay. And only one record, use the all values from a record, and use the separate value. I will use the separate values here. Okay. And for object count, I'm sorry, for object, I will select the contact. Okay. And for field like first name, So I'm just providing here the name of account. Okay. Like account dot name. Okay. And same for last name. Last name is the required field. That's why we need to provide the value. And here like name. Okay. And just click on this done button and let's see what happened in this case. So now what I will do, I will just click on this save button and give the name as like account flow to account flow. Okay. And just click on the save button. And now you have done for this example and just activate this. And this time, what we will do, we'll just go to the account tab. And here we are just going to create a new account. Okay. So like test 05, I'm just going to create, and other things I'm just leaving blank as these are not required. And I just, oh, account contact has not been created. So guys, I just forgot to add one more thing here. That is the account ID. Okay. Because I just want to relate this with the account as well. Okay. So for that one, just I select this account ID, and for account, I will select the ID of this account. So this one. Okay. And click done, click save and activate this. And just, I'm just going to create a new account right now. And for that one, just give the name like fast, oh, sorry, action related for. Okay. And click on save. And let's see if we get the contact. Yes. So if you open this contact, so this contact has been created just now. Okay, for this account name. So this account name we just created. This contact also has been created just now. Okay, we can use this option action and so guys, we can use this option action and related records when we want to create the child records, or we want to send an email to the user or the customer or someone else in your organization. So you can just use this action and related record option. Okay. And if you want to update the same record for your transaction, so you can use the fast field update, and fast field update runs before your data has been saved to the database, and action and related records will run after your data has been saved to your database. Okay. So this is the basic difference between a fast field update and the action and related records. And it's just like the after trigger and the before trigger. If you are familiar with the trigger in Salesforce, so you can just relate it with the before trigger and the after trigger. So in before trigger, what happened? So you can use the same record which triggered the process, and you can just update the value for that record fields. Okay. But if you use the after event, in that case, your record which triggered the process will be the read only. Means you cannot update the values. So what you have to do, you have to create a new instance of that object, and after that you can update the values, and you have to run a DML to update the records. Okay. So guys, I hope you have understood now, and I will explain a example as well. So I will explain a example for fast field update as well. And I have explained that example in my previous video as well. If you haven't checked out that video, so please go over there and check out that video. You will get the link in the description. So guys, in my previous video, I have created this flow. And in this flow, I'm using the fast field update. Okay, fast field update. So what I am doing here, so suppose user leave the billing address as null. At that time, I just copy the shipping address to the billing address. Okay. So guys, for that one, just create a new account here. For example, like SFDC, right? And for the for the shipping address, I will provide the random values like test and Delhi. Okay, and I'm leaving this billing address as blank and just click on the save button and let's see what happened. Just go to this detail page, and here you can see this billing address has been copied from the shipping address. Okay, because I didn't have provide any value here. So guys, you can just relate this example with a scenario where a user or the customer doesn't provide the billing address to you, but you have the shipping address. Okay, so you just can use the shipping address as billing address. So guys, that's all for this video. And if you have any questions related to Salesforce, so feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much. See you soon. Guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel to get the real time update. Also hit the like button and also hit the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you very much. See you soon.